G'day guys, Toby here from Himac Attachments. Just going to do a quick run through of the updated features on the Himac open front slasher. Starting with the driveline, we've got 3 fully protected hoses, including the case drain hose and an anti-cavitation valve for safe hydraulic rundown of the motor. For the gearbox cover, we have integrated slots to make pre and post operational checks easy for the operator. The push bar design features a built-in guard plate with cutouts for increased operator visibility and a safety chain design to reduce flying debris. The main benefit of the open front design is an increased cutting angle of attack, which improves the workload capability when cutting denser vegetation. For safer transportation, we've integrated tie-down points into the front and back of the frame and fork pockets into the mount plate to help with loading and unloading. The R&D team has worked hard making the slasher lighter and stronger. In doing this, they've increased the number of cutouts in the frame, which makes cleaning the attachment much easier for the operator. We've changed the angle of the mount plate. This allows the operator to safely exit the cab of the machine to inspect the underneath of the slasher. What it also does is improves the safety of operation when cutting in taller brush areas. Underneath, we have a solid 16mm blade carrier bolted to a machined hub. This is for improved balance of the driveline. We have forged blades and bolts made in the USA. Under the deck, we have a built-in cutout for easy access to the bolts for changing the blades. The skid plates are removable with the option of 120mm wide as standard on the back of all models. For more information on the open front slasher, give the friendly team at Himac a call.